Good evening, friends. This is that sun of that forward flag. It's reflecting from that water, reflecting sunlight. Reflecting it is one of the beautiful natural place is developed by our forefathers and nearby that Chandra Sudeshwara temple which is established with the dog, domestic animal, one who trusted the human beings and will help them. They used to lead regarding with this, how that water birds are very gently and living in that water. Water birds, uh, they are neerkoli. In Tamil, they used to say neerkoli, and all searching food in that water from morning to evening. They will used to live on the banks of this same pond. It is that holy pond which is established for that in the midst. Some land is also established. It is wonderful. It look like Sri Lanka or England. All four sides water is surrounded. Two places and the holy car festival and used to and performed here water in that water. It's a very fantastic scene. Whatever cinema we have to see, after seeing that Jawan movie, Shargan, what is his name actually, Shargan, and movie, I used to and walk this idea. It is a wonderful find. The place in that world, beautiful. The people are used to sit in that banks of that river. Government is made banks all around this area, and young men and boys used to come and take rest regarding this. Even that domestic animal, and this is so far that one of these herbal is growing here. I don't know that name. That is a castor seed plant. Castor seed plant is growing also. Castor oil is extracted from the plant only. It is most and hygienic and herbal, and the useful oil is expected to purify our stomach and many more things from the seed. Hitler extracted poison to kill that Jews, யூத மக்களை கொல்றதுக்கு, and Hitler extracted poison from this same seed of that same seed we are extracting oil, castor oil, and for வெளிச்சம் விளக்கு oil, castor oil, and very thick and oil which is extracted and beautiful. Even though so many garbages we have dropped here, from that garbages beautiful red flowers is and flower here. Even that some of this herbal plant is also growing all the four sides regarding to this. The black and beautiful and the water birds are swimming here, moving here and there, along with the young ones in that some level deeper in that water, and the big one is searching food in this very close to this area. How gently this is that natural and beautiful life. This is called cactus. எருக்கு ஏலக்கி எருக்கு. I will tell you, I will give you all the so many medicinal plant from this with they extracting preparing a kandankattari or some ஊமத்தை plant. From this only people are extracting medicine for cancer disease, whatever cancer it is what some of this beautiful flower, but girls cannot keep this flower on that flower. Can you see this beautiful flower, tulip flower, kolai malar or something like this? Other the same plant. Kandanga, the ஊமத்தை. If anybody is come and use this ஊமத்தை, they will get the madness. They lost their consciousness, and also they can use for some medicinal purpose. Just 3 hours after spending and 100 rupees in the theater, I did not get any happiness regarding with this. I don't know what purpose God has created this plant. It has lot of cord or flower or something like this, and only the saint, the people are accustomed. I know the first video. This is called Parthenium, and is also if we will not control this Parthenium, this medicinal plant will be killed regarding this. From this, some of these young boys are coming. People are dropped that all the waste things inside without to know that quality of that water. That is more essentials to know. Sightseeing, natural scene. We have to live with the nature. We have to defend the nature. We should not spoil anything in our life. And mango trees also developed some of these natural lover, uh, and also growing mango trees even in that places. This so many medicinal plant is also some all the garbages and waste, and this is called reed. This is called reed. விழல்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. And the birds also used to come and dwells in it. Dwells in it. Today I would like to go and all the Parthenium is in critical condition. After shed their seeds in that land, they will die. New things will appear very quickly. Even that cull, the stone. Colorful flowers, natural things, so many things. It is called erku, yalaki erku. We can, so many medical advantages are there. Even that is one of the thorn plant. Plantation is there. We from that only from the park of that thorn plant, people are extracting some toothpaste regarding this. Can you see that? Only I am getting some kind of good mindset after seeing that donkey and its young golf. The donkey milks are very expensive, costly than any other milk. The small and the vessel and for 60 rupees. 1 liter is more than 50 rupees. That mother feeding that young one. Mother is always, mother is mother always. I like very much in that. At the time of reading that Bible, I come across that the young wolf. Golf and the mother was tied by that owner. Go and ask about that young golf. And upon it, Jesus entered into his and native place regarding. This is for the donkey. This donkey was taken by that rearer to this area to sell this milk. It consists a lot of medicinal value rather than our milk. Mother milk, the donkey milk is very expensive. It can cure so many diseases. I am heard about that. Somebody is told Cleopatra. Cleopatra used to and used to took bath in that donkey milk. That much level donkey was restored by and grow by the it makes some kind of different sound. It feels some kind of it is looks at me. I think it will not disturb me because it is domestic one. Suppose it is a wild one means it will attack me. We cannot bear the kick of this young one. The mother will go. I would like to show that to the young wolf. They are very rare in qualities like this. The mother is feeding milk. The young one is sitting in that place and concentrate for that. This is love and affections between that and golf and young golf and so its mother. How it is beautiful, so look like it's brought up and its generation is maintained by that some of the good people caring regarding this. Very good. Some of this old man is catching fish. That birds also catching fish to eat and to survive in this world regarding this. Very good, wonderful and things. And I think immediately after seeing that, I get the real happiness in my mind after seeing this wonderful natural place. and we must become that lover of that nature rather than any other things. How majestically, without any fear, they are moving, swimming here and there to find the its prey. They did not get any, and see the small dark points is also regarding to this beautiful, wonderful, beautiful. I had seen many other things regarding to this. Hmm. Catching fish, they used to come for and taking rest in this area. You see that nature, definitely you will get the blissful experience, perfect happiness in your life rather than materialistic world. eh. Materialistic world, everywhere there is medicinal plant, how that garbage is dumped by the people, garbage waste management. This boy is always running behind me. If we come to so many boys were sleeping in that place. I think it is a common place. This is that fresh. It has more medicinal value. This is called as that white cactus, white cactus. That is blue cactus. That has and minimum, very less amount of medicinal value. Rather than it is associated with the religious. At the time of the people put the garland to that Kanapati statue on that day. The poor people come and collect this one. They will make some garlands to put that statue of the Ganapati and many more people. If anybody is a fight with a dog, uh, they apply this milk. This milk immediately on that spot. You need not go to the hospital. Hospital to take a injection 44 or surrounding of this it will kill that rabies and germs and rabies germs dogs and germs will be killed immediately applied in the fresh leaf. If we have to smash this leaf in our hand after washing the hand with rice water and let the person those who are affected with gastric trouble or the stomach problem immediately after rubbing like this for 2 or 3 leaves in our hand and ask them to rice water which was washed our hand and we will get a remedy from that gastric trouble or that stomach poison, stomach bulging in this area. It is also have many and umatai plant. What is in English? I don't know. That is religious. If you grow that white and cactus plant, and that is you will get more religious power anything for this. Everywhere the plenty of that. Even that this one, yalaki. There's so many medicinal plant. Even teeth problems also. People used to keep this milk. That is in safest condition. Castor plant is everywhere and white color. They have brothers and water. It should be neatly maintained. Only 2 coconut trees. One actually we can see that dates fruits tree only in the desert. Even date fruits tree is nearby. The water is also. From this what we come across means it is not only grow the desert, it can grow that and water and land is also, fertile land is also. That is that the meaning and sense. One neem tree is also and grown and planted by some of the and the people and so many things. The West, this is a holy place. Yeah, in that Spencer Protholomeum, we can see that holy place. People used to visit that this kind of holy places for the religious purpose. Nowadays, people used to visit to drop the wastage here and also to send the saline water and also the hot water in this area. Hot water. I don't know that medicinal value. Yellow flower is also What a beautiful God has creation to attract, to send the message through the color of flowers. Regarding to this, they are using religious place. In those days, people used to and visit this area for religious purpose, worship and ritual. Once a year, people worship, join, gather here for religious purpose. The rest of the people used to come and visit to drink liquor, uh, alcohol, beer, brandy, whiskey. The dogs, the friends of that animal, and used to take rest during this area again. And the same so many plenty of and cactus and other plantation, herbal plant, medicinal plant is the growing, but we know not this how that young the friends and domestic animals and night riders, non-commissioned officers, they will guard this area and without getting watchman, watchman if after 6 o'clock you cannot come this area, they will not allow you. They will go to escort their owner and house. Hello, gentlemen. If you come with me, I will give a biscuit. Can you come? Come. Okay, no need. It said that it is like a what I don't want any biscuit. Go your own way. Like that. It is a small movement. It is a wonderful. It is a time to they must come and stay in that area. While taking that photo, all the water birds are quickly and swimming here and there. This young one, young small water birds is also the coming to find food before the sunset is more important, my dear friend. Really, I am getting some more pleasure after seeing this wonderful phenomenons, wonderful all water birds. They are moving and also they 24 maximum hours, more than 8 hours or 9 hours. They used to and stay in the water only, but the water is not stick with their body, and they cannot soaked by that water, even though they are swimming and also living in that water long time from morning to evening to 8 hours or 12 hours the water cannot permanently stitch in their body. That is a God creation, but that cannot get any chillness like that human beings. How that again? Suppose if you stay that more than 1 hour, we get that cold related disease. Yeah, but that is a God gift. God has given a special quality and special nature to all the people. And the water bird is a young one, and that big one is going there. Another one is there. Another one is and also the so many unwanted plantation also. Like that we are have in our mind we have that. Needful things and also unwanted things. The unwanted things should be removed by the needful. Needful things keep in our mind. But nowadays, keeping that unwanted things in the mind, removing that, don't, how that Sandrasudeswara temple, the people used to say that is one tall tower. In Tamil, used to say Vimanam. Vimanams, the people are moving to see the Lord Shiva and also get his blessing regarding to this. This is also one entrance, that also entrance. There is on all three sides people, how that young people are standing on the top of that mountain. eh? The people is give one car is also returned from this area. It's a very beautiful and wonderful and things everybody is come and see. This is the best place to take that and song scenes of that movie or anything. It is a wonderful regarding with this. Thank you, friend. After watching that, my mind is released. My mind will get some freshness and freshness. In that all four sides there is plenty of oxygen is also in that area. Like that, these three plantations should be removed, and the like medicinal plant, everything should be grow. Some young boys are is also and working to establish that. the ritual celebration of that immersion of that cannabis nature working is also happening here. This is planned. This is also one beer bottle. See that beer bottle where they that is the cost of the beer bottle is 2 rupees paid per that person, and is a holy place and dropped here. That is waste management. Government must give importance to make that waste management in this kind of religious places. The common public places should be renovated and also protected and defend for that future generation. Here is also one of these place and the people for this celebration working to establish a community statue for that immersion function. White வெள்ளை இருக்கு from this the people will come and collect. It has lot of medicinal values to make and healthy life if you have a plantation. One express sea sapling is kept by this house owner regarding with this. One of this very big water bird is there and to try to get fish, and after that they will come and develop on the four sides the area like this are dense growth of this water plantation. They will lay there and breed and also develop in that place. And crane also, one crane is also passing from that area into this inside this growth. One crane also they just now and moved from there. It is very beautiful and wonderful and things you come and enjoy. And coconut plantation, coconut we have a lot of coconut for the some of the private party and having that is the cotton tree panji marama you know something. Some of this cotton tree is very grow very tall and high. This tree is also silverwood tree among this. The people, some resting place, but it is not cleaned by that corporation. People must come and clean and keep neat and add more beauty, and with that, people amount is used to be established all over the plenty of water birds and living in this pond, living this religious pond, holy pond, holy and pond. Now I am going to my dwelling place. They will come and dwell in this area on the four sides. After sometimes very big nice one rock and two pieces of that rock in that the midst of that water. And one day I would like to get into that area, cross to stay sometimes, do some kind of meditation or that enjoyment. I like it is look like a dense. It is look like and caves, where that lion used to live. Very dense crowd regarding for this. In this area, it is colorful, and the establishment was done by this corporation, and everything should be removed. Not except and useful things or useless things like reed and waste. It should be purified and is give more holy ritual things rather than anything. Thank you so much for watching my videos about natural and see the nature. Your eye power will be increased, memory power will be increased, and health will be increased. If you see that artificial things while sitting that free fire and so many things, your life will be ruined. You lost your eyesight, lost your health, lost your peace of mind, lost your and and strength and many more things easily. If you live with nature, live by the nature, definitely you can increase your lifespan over here. Do good things for that good people and good nation. Thank you so much, friend, for watching my videos and from this place. After locating this area, I would like to conclude this one. Thank you so much. Bye.